You rocking with Cowboy Bond Star channel, man. Hey, man, we got Burts, we got big trucks, we got everything in the category that you need. Stay tuned to the channel, and we got footage every day. Yes, sir. There you go. Info. Next up on the chopping list. We got a whole bunch of stars in there. She is done. Mean and aggressive. And in his language, I think it means all things are God, everything's impossible, something like that. But we'll get that. We'll get that in the story on that in the video. We got the deep brakes. Oh. All right, YouTube. So you got two bolts that come out here. All right. And then the rest of the stuff is mandatory, real quick, simple, easy stuff to get out. Then the back, you have an 8mm bolt, pull out the back, then a plastic tab to take out this piece. This is just to take out your headliner if you're doing stars or anything. Okay, 8mm, and then you have a tab just to pull off. Real quick, simple. All right. Gonna lean the seats back and take it out the passenger or driver side. Easy peasy on the headliner. Okay. All the little basic tools you need. Simple. Bam bam. Real quick. Front. Back. Two color. Real simple. Real simple like. This product. Got those stars. Killing it. Yup. Nice and flush. Nice and clean. There we go. Perfect. How you feel about the car?
She's amazing, man. She's beautiful.
2026. Brand new. Off the lot. And then you got them stars all the way through. Perfect. Yes, sir.